5:36 our time, and as we look at our weather for the day today, we're still feeling some of the impacts of Cindy, and this is what we know so far for today. We are looking at 1 to 2 inches of rain possible with minor flooding issues. Again, some of you won't see any rain today, but those that do could have some heavy downpours. Coastal flooding, storm tide level still 1 to 3 feet about there, of course, with the high tides that come up a little bit and low tide down, as you just saw there from Katie. And still windy. The south winds around 15 to 20 miles per hour, along with some of those higher gusts. Now, the rivers today, Bogafly again, minor should be cresting today. Pearl River cresting a minor flooding there on Saturday as well. Chifuncta, if it hasn't crested already, will be cresting there today as well. Bogachita today too, and Tangibo on Saturday, but no major flooding issues, which is some great news for those that are living along the rivers. It's 80 degrees outside. Look at that dew point, 77. Feels like 86 right now, and there's south winds around 10, gusting to 22 miles per hour, so it's quite breezy out there. 79 in Hammond as well as in Macomb, but 81 Slidell back to Lakefront Airport area. Port Fourchon in the 80s, so is Boothville and Gulfport, and same for Baton Rouge. But look at those southerly winds. Again, 15 gusting to 22 down in the Port Fourchon area. Macomb even gusts to 22, and still breezy there from Boothville back into the Gulfport area too this hour. So with that in mind, we're still looking at some breezy conditions today. Temperatures will be into the lower 80s throughout the morning, mid to upper 80s this afternoon. We will see more scattered storms coming on in as the afternoon progresses, and the winds are in the south around 15 to 20 miles per hour. For your health report today, air quality code green on the good side, pollen's on the moderate side, grass, and I'm actually feeling some of that. My sinuses today, now that the wind's kind of kicking up and not much rain, we're seeing the pollens pick up a little bit. UV index, if we see some sun, around 12, very high, of course, and extreme, actually, that should say, and then high around for the UV index for the day today, or heat index, I'm sorry. Now, there are again a couple showers working the way to the north. What's left of Cindy still kind of spiraling here, spinning near the Memphis area. We'll get absorbed into that front over the weekend, and that's actually going to bring some more rain to our area, unfortunately, for Saturday and Sunday. Now, you can see the spin of Cindy there in the Memphis area, but for us, though, again, we're still looking at a couple showers kind of coming on in, just really from Franklinton area back into Mississippi. Not much else rain-wise out there from the South Shore. A couple showers near Thibodaux and Vacherie. That's about it, but still have that dry air kind of wrapping around out ahead of Cindy, and that's going to help to keep at least the rain check in check for a few hours today. But by lunchtime today, more scattered storms developing, mid 80s to upper 80s this afternoon. We'll see some storms around 2 o'clock North Lake, working their way southward by 4 o'clock. So the commute home, we will be dealing with some storms coming on in. This is 6 o'clock, even into 8 o'clock. If you're going out to dinner tonight, keep that in mind. We'll see a little bit of some rain coming on in. By 10 o'clock, those showers dissipate. Tomorrow morning, at 6 a.m., we start off with a couple showers. More develop here, especially toward the coastline. By 8 o'clock tomorrow, we'll be around 80 degrees in the morning there. A little bit of some rain from lunchtime and more scattered storms by the afternoon. Not a washout by any means, but if you have any plans to be outside tomorrow, keep in mind we will see some of those showers and those thunderstorms. So impacts from the storms today, a lot of lightning, a high chance of lightning, high chance of heavy rain, moderate chance for flooding, not near like what we've seen, and the wind impact is still quite moderate out there. And you'll see the next couple of days, we're still looking at, again, 50% chance of storms, but less humid weather with the front coming through by Tuesday, but it doesn't last long. Angie?
Thanks so much. And taking a look at the roadways, not doing too